Alright, so today guys, I was visiting a friend up here in Jupiter and somebody recommended this unlimited wash club place. It's time for me to get the beast cleaned. So let's go get it done. Ah! Yeah, they're getting it all spray waxed, detailed, armor all dried up, nice and clean. You know, I gotta get it good, man. You can't be down here looking like a bum. I gotta say, out of any place that I've been to here recently, that this car wash spot here, north of Lauderdale, is pretty tight, man. Check that. Wait until the end of the video. In Jupiter, Wellington, and a bunch of other places. I mess with them. I'm gonna have to drop a link in the description. Maybe we'll see once everything's done how she looks though. I gotta inspect it. Yeah, I gotta inspect it. All right, so we're going wide angle on this one so you can see it's all nice and tightened up and nice and clean. I mean, I think she's clean. I see some spots here I'm gonna have to touch up myself. But like, I can see where they went in, but then they also sprayed like this spray wax and didn't get it all off. You know, like, I don't know. I'm not gonna say I'm a perfectionist, but damn, man, some of this stuff, like, look at this. How did you hand wash this? Okay, so, you know, I was talking really positive about them because they were in the sun, but look at this. It's still dirty. That's dirty. So how do I buy the most expensive wash package you have and bug removal and a bug removal and it's not done? I mean, I'm just being honest. I'm not asking for perfection. I'm just asking for what I paid for. And to be honest, you know, and I gave the kid a $10 tip. You know, look at this. Look. The truck is still dirty. Like, I don't know, man. If you think I'm nitpicking, y'all can let me know in the comments, you know, to shut up, quit nitpicking. But I don't feel like I'm nitpicking if I'm just trying to get what it is I paid for. And what I paid for was the most expensive wash package they had. Thank God I didn't pay them for $100 and something detail. This is what I do at a place like this. I will test a place out first, and then, yeah, I can't rock with them, man. And now, you know, instead of me doing something positive for them on Facebook, now I got to do something negative, you know. And I don't like being that way. And it looks like somebody scuffed it when they were stepping on the bumper. That's great. It's not clean. I'm still getting stuff off the truck. It's not clean. Now I know someone would say, man, you should just take it back. They'll do it, or they'll fix it. I shouldn't have to take it back. It should just be clean. It should just be done. You know what I'm saying? And now, you know, now we got this. You know, now I'm having to come through and I got to touch up. Now this is why, you know, y'all said don't use the automated washes. So I went to that was a hand washing place. The most expensive package you can buy, and the truck is still dirty. Like, I don't know, maybe it's just me, But I don't know. If somebody pays me for a job, I do the job. See, this is the other thing too. All up here ain't clean. Now I know people are gonna say, damn TK, you did this long ass video and you just crushed them. Well, look at all the stuff. Look at all this stuff I'm having to touch up. I purchased, it's not like I purchased your best wash package. You know what I'm saying? I don't know, I kind of feel like Randy did when, he was paying for details from that one shop and they were doing crap jobs, And I know they'll probably contact me and say, yo, bring it back. We want to make this right. Bro, you can't make this right. I should not have to be out here following up. Look at this. I should not have to be out here following up your guys' work. And then now I feel like a dick because I gave these dudes a $10 tip on top on GP, just thinking I'm, because in the shade, the truck looked great. Now look at this. How is this a hand wash and the truck is still dirty? Come on, man. Yeah, okay, you can put Armor All on the tires and that's all good. But what about the rest of the truck, man? It's not clean. I mean, look at this. Look at this shit. Like, I literally just pulled out of there and there's still crap. You're supposed to be doing bug removal and all. Like, that's what I paid for. I paid for the whole shebang. You know what I'm saying? And this looks like hot garbage in the sunlight. I'm over here hyping, excited, thinking that the truck's gonna look nice. And look at it, it's dirty. And see, I'm gonna post this on Google Photos or Google, what do you call it? Maps. And then someone's gonna be mad and say that I was being unfair. I don't think so. I'm getting some lifter tap, it sounds like, out of the motor. I might. Yeah, they going in. I'm down here in the hood, on the side of the road, doing my thing. It looks like I got a rock chip or something right there in the grill. That's not good. Well, there. Now that I've at least made my grill look like it's clean. Yes, I'm mad. I'm swearing. I'm pissed, man. I just paid this money for bug removal and the like, and I don't got it. What the hell did I pay for? I sure didn't get the wash that I paid for. That's for sure. Look at this. Look at this mirror. Bug removal where? I'm doing this with my nails, man. They had it, like, I should have just paid for like their cheapest wash. I might have got the same quality, the same deal, by just paying for the cheapest thing I could get. Because this sure the hell ain't clean. I can tell you that now. I will give them credit on the rims. At least they clean that, and I hate cleaning those. But I shouldn't have to be touching up my own damn car seconds after I leave the car wash, man. I just shouldn't. Let me know what you guys think. If I'm being an asshole or if I'm being extra with it. What the fuck is this up here? Did y'all see this? What is this shit? It's almost like surface stuff in the paint at the top. I don't know, man. This looks like I took a massive L, man. Let's see if they even got the door stuff. Look at this shit. They're supposed to do all the door jams and everything. That's what you're paying for. And look at this. I'm doing it now in real time. Come on, son. I literally don't know what the hell it was I paid for. And I'm slightly aggravated. I'm gonna be honest with you. Well, maybe there are other places are good, but the one in Jupiter, I wouldn't recommend it. And I'm gonna tag them. I hope they have a Facebook page. That sucked, man. I don't know. I'm just disappointed, man. I'm just really disappointed. You know? If somebody knows, if you're in the greater Miami area and somebody knows a spot that can actually clean a damn car, you know, detail a car. Yes, it's a big black SUV. Yes, like I'm not looking for perfection. Yes, I know there could be a water spot here or there. I'm not complaining about that. But if I pay you for the maximum deal, the maximum detail deal you can get, I expect to get that. Like if I pay for the maximum wash, I at least expect the damn car to be clean. I should not have to be wiping dirt off of it. Oh, and I was at the one here at Indiantown Road and Island Way. It's right back there. Y'all can see it. I wouldn't recommend ever going there. That's just me. I just wouldn't. Unlimited Wash Club or whatever the hell they call it. And the reason why I went there is because it had really great ratings on both Google Maps and Apple Maps. You know, no, it wasn't Yelp or anything like that, but it had good ratings, so I gave them a shot, and I'm wrong for that. Oh well, I'm back. I'm going back down towards Boca. I had to come up here and see a friend. I'm just super freaking disappointed, man. Super disappointed. Like, you know, $25 for a wash. And I know people are gonna say, did you actually pay that? Yeah. Here, let me, where'd I put it? I put it up here. Oh. Because someone's gonna say, what's the address? What's their information? It's right here, man. Here you go. Y'all could even call them. let them know I posted the video. You know, I don't know, man. Maybe they'll make sure they tighten up other people's stuff, right? Look at this unknown item, ultimate special. Okay, $25. All right, and I bought a bubbly. All right, $28. Now here's the rain check, but I ain't never gonna bring it back. They can have the rain check. I can guarantee you this: my vehicle will never be back there, because that was some absolute bullshit. Let me know if you agree. I mean, was I just making that up? I saw it all. Did you see it all? Let me know what you guys think. If you guys think I'm being extra or I'm wrong for putting them on blast, let me know in the comments below. I feel like, I don't know, I'm in the right, but I don't know, maybe I'm in the wrong. So this is why I got you guys, as like, you guys like that peripheral view. You guys can let me know. But yeah, I had a different video set to go today, but y'all getting this one, and then we got the giveaway update later this evening probably. Let me know what you guys think.